How to recover an Outlook account without a phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover an Outlook account without a phone number. Recovering your Outlook account without a phone number can be a bit tricky, but it's definitely possible. First, go to the Microsoft Account Recovery website. When asked for a phone number, click on the option that says I don't have any of these. You will be prompted to enter an alternate email address. Make sure this is an email address you have access to. Then, look for a verification code sent to your alternate email address and enter it on the recovery page. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to create a new password for your Outlook account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.